Well, this isn't exactly a assembly video. I'm not going to be showing you how to assemble the Shapeoko. This is an XXL, yeah, Shapeoko 3 XXL. That's a mouthful. But what I am going to do is talk about my experience. I just finished installing it. I haven't even put power to it yet. But I wanted to just give a shout out to Shapeoko on what fantastic instructions they provide with this machine. The manual is extremely detailed. Every step has pictures like this, and they have boxed all the components up in a way that it's easy to find the screws and the brackets and everything that is needed for a particular step. It's really straightforward. When I went through this and was doing the setup and the squaring and leveling, it was coming out dead flat, straight on, level, part of that's my floor, but square, I didn't have to adjust anything. I left things loose like they instructed, and then at the end went through the squaring process, and I didn't have to adjust anything. It was already square. I just tightened things up, and really, really impressed with this. They put a lot of thought in the manual. If they put that much thought in the manual, I'm really excited to start using it because I think it's going to be a good machine. So if for the beginner, someone putting it together without much experience with something like this, I think the instructions will lead you right through every single step. They have little pro tips in the manual that help, shortcuts, or not really shortcuts, but things that just make it a little bit easier and save you a tiny bit of frustration if you do those things. And I'm just really impressed with it. Wanted to give them a shout out. Wanted to pass this along to everybody in case you're thinking about a machine or up in the air. The instruction book for this is really good. I mentioned the beginner. I've never worked with a CNC. I've never been exposed to one. I've never physically seen one operate outside of YouTube videos, and so putting it together, the pictures and everything led me right through step by step. So it was really good, and that's all I have to say about that.